Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVFY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As far as summarizing today's price action, I would say pump and dump on thin ice. Now, real quick, when I say pump and dump, I don't mean like this company's being operated out of somebody's basement over in, Iran or something like that. I'm just saying and talking and judging strictly the price action. And my definition of a pump and dump when it comes to price action is price makes a very impressive move, and then the price within a relatively short amount of time goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's first kind of map out where all this started. And it all started essentially with the breakout of this previous range here. You can see many times before, the price just going to get up above that level there, right around $1.75. So now let's apply the definition. Price makes a great move. Well, considering there was a big gap up and then the price ran all the way up there, I would say that was a very impressive move. And then within a short amount of time, the price is back to where it started. Well, short amount of time today, you can see the price went all the way back down there. Now, this is where thin ice comes into play because, yeah, technically speaking, the price did not go back to where it started. It's not like the price fell back inside of this channel where it already was. So that's where I say thin ice, because it's close, but it's not quite there. Now, the bulls still could definitely, have a chance to do something. I mean, case in point, let's say the price actually starts to just level off right there and then starts to head back up. Well, at that point, okay, the thin ice held because really you'd have a set of lows there. Previous set of lows would be down there. You picture each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upward direction, which is what a longer term, truly strong move is. So that is a possibility, and that's why I'm not sitting here and saying that this is a straight up pump and up, because yeah, to be fair to the bulls, they could still technically put in a higher base, but the bears sure do have quite a bit of downwards momentum right now. So it's really just a question of, are the bulls going to be able to step up and stop it, or is this price headed right back into this range where it already was, which again literally makes it a pump and up. Great price movement, and then all of a sudden within a short amount of time, price is back to where it started. So we'll see if the bulls can get things under control tomorrow or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.